Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. You can find us on the web at premierautosource.com. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about this really clean 1999 Jeep Cherokee 4.0 inline 6 four-wheel drive automatic transmission. It's got a really nice 3-inch rough country lift. Some really nice Mickey Thompson custom wheels. A deep set of Toyo Open Country mud terrains. Those are 31 1050 15s. Looks really nice. And the best thing about this Jeep is it only has 78,000 miles. Really low mileage Jeep. Shows extremely well inside and out. The underside is super clean. I encourage you to go to our website, premierautosource.com. Got a lot of detailed photos of the Jeep, a lot of pictures of the underside, engine compartment. Take a look at this odometer. Just a really nice Jeep. They don't come up very often like this anymore. Feel free to call or text me at 904-382-7230. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have about the Jeep. Head over to our website, premierautosource.com. Check out the Carfax, the detailed photos. We also have a link to financing. So if you have any questions about any of those things, please feel free to give me a call. Look forward to hearing from you soon, and we really appreciate your interest.